આપણે હજી 2 મિનિટ વેઇટ કરે, લોકો આવે, જોડાય એટલે પછી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરે. બે જ મિનિટ, હજી લોકો આવી રહ્યા છે. ધેન વી વિલ સ્ટાર્ટ ઇટ. ચલો લેટ સ્ટાર્ટ. સૌપ્રથમ બધાને જય જયેન્દ્ર. લોકડાઉન ધીરે ધીરે ખુલવા લાગ્યું છે. ઘરે બધા બરાબર હશો. પ્લીઝ આ ટાઈમે બધા એકદમ સંભાળ રાખજો, કેમ કે નેક્સ્ટ 1 વીક 2 વીકમાં કેસ ઘણા બધા વધશે આપણા મુંબઈમાં. સો અગર જે બહાર નીકળે પ્લીઝ પોતપોતાના સેનિટાઈઝ બરાબર કરજો, સોશિયલ ડિસ્ટન્સિંગ રાખજો, માસ્ક પહેરજો અને જરૂર હોય તો જ બહાર નીકળજો. હવે આ લોકડાઉનમાં કેવીએસઓ ગુર્જર યુથ ફોરમનો આ 7મો વેબિનાર છે. આપણે સ્ટોક માર્કેટ, મ્યુચ્યુઅલ ફંડ, જનરલ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ, લાઈફ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ, COVID-19 અને પર્સનાલિટી ડેવલપમેન્ટ પર આપણે વેબિનાર આપ્યા હતા. જે લોકોને આ બધા કોઈ પણ વેબિનાર જોવા હોય તો અમારા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ પર જોઈને જઈ શકે છે, અને યા પછી જે લિંક મેં મોકલાવેલી છે સમાજને એના પર પણ જોઈને જોઈ શકે છે. હવે આજનો આપણો વેબિનાર છે હાઉ ટુ ચૂઝ યોર કેરિયર. નોર્મલી આફ્ટર 8th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઓર 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ પેરેન્ટ્સ અને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ જનરલી લોકો ઘણા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ હોય છે કે ભાઈ આપણે કઈ સ્ટ્રીમ ચૂઝ કરવી, કોમર્સ કરવું, સાયન્સ કરવું, અચ્છા કોમર્સમાં આગળ શું કરવું, BMS, BCom, BF, CA, કે અગર સાયન્સ લીધું તો એન્જિનિયરિંગ કરવું કે મેડિકલમાં જવું કે આર્ટ્સ લેવું, એવા ઘણા બધા પ્રશ્નો હોય છે. આફ્ટર 8th ઓર 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ધીસ ક્વેશ્ચન સ્ટાર્ટ અરાઇઝિંગ અટિલ તમે જ્યાં સુધી પોસ્ટ ગ્રેજ્યુએશન કે નથી કરતા ત્યાં સુધી આ બધા ક્વેશ્ચન તમને હર સ્ટેજ પર આવતા રહે છે. સો ટુ એડ્રેસ ધીસ ક્વેશ્ચન ઓનલી વી હેવ અરેન્જ ધીસ સેમિનાર. આજના આપણા સ્પીકર છે વિની રાજેશ શાહ. તે પોતે ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ છે, સર્ટિફાઈડ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ પ્લાનર છે. તેઓએ EY જે કહેવાય છે ટોપ 4 CA ફર્મ કહેવાય છે એમાં તેમને જોબ કરેલું, અને ત્યાંથી નીકળીને પોતાનું પેશન હતું કે એજ્યુકેશનલ કન્સલ્ટન્સી ચાલુ કરવી, અને તેઓએ પોતાની આરા કન્સલ્ટન્સી કરીને જેમાં તે પોતે ફાઉન્ડર છે અને હેડ કાઉન્સિલર છે. She has guided more than 1,000 students. She is also a abroad educational consultant where she guides students go to top universities at USA, UK, New Zealand, Canada, etc. તેઓ બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને હેલ્પ કરે છે ઇન શોર્ટ લિસ્ટિંગ ઓફ યુનિવર્સિટીઝ, પ્રિપરેશન ઓફ SS, વિઝા પ્રોસેસ અને ફાઇનાન્સીસ. સો હવે વધારે ટાઈમ તમારો ન લેતા હું વિનીબેનને કહીશ કે આ સેમિનાર આગળ વધારે તમને કોઈ પણ કંઈ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ હોય તો પ્લીઝ નીચે ચેટ બોક્સમાં તમે ટાઈપ કરી શકો છો અને વિનીબેન એમને પૂરી તરહ ટ્રાય કરશે એડ્રેસ કરવાની. સો આઈ એમ હેન્ડિંગ ઓવર ટુ વિનીબેન. વિનીબેન, પ્લીઝ ટેક ઓવર ફ્રોમ હિયર. થેન્ક યુ.
Hello everyone, કેમ છો બધા? I hope everyone is safe at their place. My name is Vinisha અને અત્યારના મને બહુ સારું લાગે છે બધા સાથે વાત કરીને. હવે મને ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી મળી છે and I'm very glad and I'm wishing that that I take this webinar very nicely અને હું તમને જેટલું બને એમ એટલું નોલેજ આપી શકું. First of all, I have to thank a lot of people. મને બહુ બધા લોકોને થેન્ક યુ કેવું છે before I start this webinar. I want to thank KVSO, Gujar Youth Forum. I want to thank Hardik Bhai Bora, Sudhir Bhai Bora to give me this wonderful opportunity. બહુ સરસ opportunity આપી છે કે મને આટલા સારા સરસ લોકો સાથે વાત કરવા મળે છે. I also want to thank one very special person, વૈશાલી બેન, વૈશાલી કરાનીજી, જેને તમારો લાસ્ટ વીક પર્સનાલિટી ડેવલપમેન્ટનો વર્કશોપ લીધો છે. એમને હું ડિયરલી થેન્ક યુ કહું છું કારણ કે એમને જ મારું નામ સજેસ્ટ કર્યું હતું અને આઈ એમ રિયલી હેપી કે અત્યારના મને આ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી મળી છે. હાર્દિકભાઈએ બહુ જ સરસ મારું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપ્યો કે મેં શું મારા અચીવમેન્ટ કર્યા છે, પણ અત્યારના જે બી મને બધા જોઈ રહ્યા છે એક સવાલ હશે માઇન્ડમાં કે આ છોકરી સીએ છે, સીએફપી છે, પછી કાઉન્સિલિંગમાં કઈ રીતે આવી? વાય ઇઝ શી નોટ પ્રેક્ટિસિંગ સીએ? સો એવરીવન, લાઈક એવરી ડે આઈ ટેક કાઉન્સિલિંગ એન્ડ રોજ મને આ સવાલ તો હંમેશા પૂછવામાં આવે છે. તો લેટ મી ક્લિયર યોર કન્ફ્યુઝન. મને હવે સ્ટાર્ટ કરું તમને ક્લિયર કરવા માટે કે હું કેમ આફ્ટર સીએ આઈ ગોટ ઇન ટુ કાઉન્સિલિંગ. There is a lot of connect in this story, so please be very careful and listen to me. And I also want to tell you, jene પણ કાઈ પણ doubts હોય, please you can type it. I will be addressing the same. હું address કરીશ જેમ બને એમ. હું I will be addressing your doubt. સો સૌથી પહેલા હું મારી સ્ટોરી કહીશ અને પછી મારો થોડોક ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપીશ. ધો હાર્દિકભાઈ ડીડ અ વન્ડરફુલ જોબ, બટ સ્ટીલ હું થોડોક ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપીશ. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, હું સારી હતી. કેમ હું આફ્ટર સી આઈ ગોટ ઇન ટુ કાઉન્સિલિંગ. લેટ મી સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ દેટ. સો આઈ વોઝ વેરી ગુડ એટ સ્ટડિંગ. હું ભણવામાં સારી હતી. 10th સારા પર્સન્ટેજ આવ્યા, 12th સારા પર્સન્ટેજ આવ્યા. પછી સાયન્સમાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ નહોતો, ડોક્ટર નહોતું બનવું, એન્જિનિયર નહોતું બનવું, તો પછી એક જ વસ્તુ માઇન્ડમાં આવી, ચલો સીએ બની લઉં. એટલે વિધાઉટ નોઈંગ ધ કરિક્યુલમ શું છે ઈ જાણ્યા વગર, એનું કેવી રીતે આગળ સ્કોપ છે ઈ જાણ્યા વગર મેં સિમ્પલી, બધા મારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ લેતા હતા, એક મારો ભાઈ સીએ હતો એટલે મેં લઈ લીધું સીએ વિધાઉટ નોઈંગ એનીથિંગ એલ્સ. આઈ જસ્ટ વેન્ટ અહેડ વિથ ધ ફ્લો કે ચલો સીએ લઈ લઈએ. અને પછી મારું, એઝ આઈ સેડ, કે હું સારી હતી ભણવામાં, આઈ વોઝ ગુડ એકેડેમિકલી, તો મારા બધા લેવલ્સ ક્લિયર થતા ગયા, બધું ઇઝીલી હું સીએ બની ગઈ. And there was a eureka moment એટલે મોમેન્ટ ઓફ રિયલાઇઝેશન કે જ્યારે મેં ઈવાયમાં, જેવી રીતના હાર્દિકભાઈ કીધું, મેં અર્ન્સ્ટ એન્ડ યંગમાં કામ કર્યું છે, જ્યારે મેં કામ કરવાનું શરૂઆત કરી ત્યારે મને ખબર પડી આ તો મારી ઇન્ટરેસ્ટનું જ વસ્તુ નથી. હું સારું કામ જ નથી કરી રહી આમાં, ના મને મજા આવે છે, ના મારું પરફોર્મન્સ સારું છે. પછી મને 2 મિનિટ માટે વિચાર આવ્યો, મેં રિવાઇન્ડ કર્યું કે વોઝ આઈ એવર ફિટ ફોર ધીસ કોર્સ? હું ફિટ હતી કે નહીં સીએ માટે? અને પછી મને સ્ટ્રાઇક થયું દેટ આઈ વોઝ નેવર મેન્ટ ફોર ફાઇનાન્સ. મારું કઈ અલગ જ ફોટે છે, એક્સપર્ટીઝ છે, અને હું ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્સી એમ જ મેં કરી નાખ્યું. ડિગ્રી સારી હતી, રેપ્યુટેશન સારું હતું, બસ ગુડવિલ સારી હતી, એટલે બધાની જેમ મેં બી એમ જ હું આગળ વધતી ગઈ. પણ અને પછી મેં મારા ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટમાં બધાને જોયા. Not only me, I just saw everyone else in my department and I understood that મારી જેમ કેટલા લોકો છે જેને ગમતું નથી કામ કરવું, just because સેલેરી સારી છે, એમને સારું કામ મળી રહ્યું છે, બસ એટલે એ લોકો કરે છે વિધાઉટ એની ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ, વિધાઉટ એની પેશન. મને ત્યારે સેન્સ ઓફ રિયલાઇઝેશન આવી ગયું that it's not right, you have to do something else. and ત્યારે મારા સાથે બધા હતા, એમને બી રોંગ કરિયર ઓપ્શન લીધું, મેં રોંગ કરિયર ઓપ્શન લીધું. અને ત્યારે મને અંદાજો આવ્યો કે there is dearth of good counselors ની કમી છે જે તમને કોર્સિસના બારામાં જણાવે. એટલે પછી મેં સર્ચ કર્યું આ ફિલ્ડના બારામાં. કમ્યુનિકેશન સ્કિલ્સ મારી ત્યારે પણ સારી હતી, તો આઈ રિસર્ચ થરલી. મેં બહુ બધું રિસર્ચ કર્યું આ ફિલ્ડના બારામાં, કરિયર કાઉન્સિલિંગ એઝ અ હોલના બારામાં. and then I realized that this is that field, career counseling is that field where I want to get into, where I can become an expert હું બની શકીશ. એટલે પછી મેં ઈવાય છોડ્યું. મેં એક જગ્યા પર કામ કર્યું, એક અબ્રોડ કાઉન્સિલિંગ ફોર્મમાં કામ કર્યું, કારણ કે ઇટ્સ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કે હું મારી પાસે અબ્રોડનું બી ફૂલ નોલેજ હોય જ્યારે હું મારા સ્ટુડન્ટને કાઉન્સિલ કરતી હોઉં. So that's the reason I worked there for 1 year, and then I started my own company, Ara Consultancy. Ara is made out of two words, Asha and Rajesh, my mom dad's name, and I totally dedicate this business to them. So આ મેં તમને સ્ટોરી કેમ કીધી? Why did I tell you this story? બહુ બધું આમાં જાણવા જેવું છે, બહુ બધા ટેક અવેઝ છે આ બધા આ સ્ટોરીમાંથી. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, હર્ડ મેન્ટાલિટી તમારે નો રાખવી જોઈએ. હર્ડ મેન્ટાલિટીનો મતલબ શું કે જે બધા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ કરતા હોય એના સાથે સાથે આપણે કરી લઈએ, વિધાઉટ નોઈંગ કે તમારી એક્સપર્ટીઝ ક્યાં છે. ઈ જાણ્યા વગર તમારે આગળ એમ જ તમે વયા જાઓ, that is not the right way how you choose your career. It's not the right way. So it's very very important કે તમે પોતાના સેલ્ફને જાણો, તમે પોતે રિસર્ચ કરો કોર્સના બારામાં જ્યાં તમે જતા હો. ઇટ્સ એક્સ્ટ્રીમલી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ, બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે કે તમે કરેક્ટ કરિયર ચોઇસ લ્યો. કારણ કે તમે અત્યારના એક દિવસમાં તમે 70% ઓફ યોર ટાઈમ, 70% ટાઈમ તમે કામને ડિવોટ કરતા હો છો. ઓકે, કામને ડિવોટ કરતા હો છો, અને તમે જ્યારે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ જ નથી વસ્તુમાં, પેશન નથી વસ્તુમાં, તો તમે કઈ રીતે ખુશ રહેશો? તમારી લાઈફ જ આમ તમને વેસ્ટ લાગશે. સો કરિયર ચોઇસ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. કેટલું બધું આમાં કરિયર ચોઇસીસ છે, કેટલા બધા કરિયર ચોઇસીસ છે. તો ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ દેટ યુ ચૂઝ યોર કરિયર વેરી વેરી વાઇસલી. સો ફર્સ્ટ ટેક અવે મારી સ્ટોરીમાંથી ઈ છે that you should not be going ahead with your friends જે કે જાણ્યા વગર સમજ્યા વગર એમની સાથે સાથે જવાનું, ઇટ્સ નોટ ગુડ. ફેમિલીમાં કોઈ પર્સને કર્યું છે, સક્સેસફુલ છે, વેરી ગુડ ફોર હિમ, કારણ કે એની એક્સપર્ટીઝ છે. તમારી એક્સપર્ટીઝ છે કે નહીં ઈ તમારે વિચારવાનું છે. માય સેકન્ડ ટેક અવે ઇઝ, પેલી છે હર્ડ મેન્ટાલિટી તમારે નો રાખવી જોઈએ. સેકન્ડ ઇઝ that apart from CA, doctor and engineering, there are lot of different courses. બધાને ખાલી ત્રણ જ, અનફોર્ચ્યુનેટલી આ ટ્રુથ છે, બધા પેરેન્ટ્સને યુઝ્યુઅલી ત્રણ જ કોર્સીસ ખબર હોય, બાકી બધા કોર્સીસને એમ જ કહેવામાં આવે કે આ કોર્સીસમાં વેલ્યુ જ નથી. સાચું બોલું તો મને કોઈએ ત્યારે કીધું હોત કે માર્કેટિંગમાં બહુ જ સ્કોપ છે, માર્કેટિંગમાં આગળ વધી શકે છે, તું માર્કેટિયર સારી બની શકે છે, મને કોઈએ કીધું હોત તો અત્યારના હું મારા સેલ્ફને એમ જ કહું કે હું બહુ સારી માર્કેટિયર બનત. ત્યારે મને કોઈએ કીધું જ નહોતું કે યુ કેન બી અ ગુડ માર્કેટિયર એન્ડ માર્કેટિંગ હેઝ ગુડ સ્કોપ. બાકી બધા કોર્સીસને બહુ નીચું આમ આપણે માનીએ છીએ, વેલ્યુ વગરનું માને છે. ખાલી CA, એન્જિનિયરિંગ, ડોક્ટર બધું નથી. there are lot of different courses. ઈ આપણે કવર કરી રહ્યા છે આ વેબિનારમાં. I will be telling you about that. બહુ બધા કોર્સીસ છે જ્યાં સ્ટુડન્ટ જઈ શકે છે, અને પેરેન્ટ્સ અત્યારના કાફી ખુલી રહ્યા છે. that is a good news that પેરેન્ટ્સ કાફી ઓપન થઈ રહ્યા છે, that you are student can choose various type of courses. તો ઈ ખાલી મોટિવેશન હંમેશા સ્ટુડન્ટમાં હોવો જોઈએ કે પેરેન્ટ્સ સ્ટુડન્ટને આપવો જોઈએ કે તને જે જોતું હોય, જે તને ગમતું હોય ઈ તમે કોર્સમાં તમે આગળ વધી શકો છો. ખાલી ત્રણ કોર્સીસમાં પોતાના સેલ્ફને લિમિટ નહીં કરો. that is my one other takeaway. Third takeaway out of the story is that you have to take the course where you are an expert. તમે ઈ જ કોર્સ લ્યો જ્યાં તમે એક એક્સપર્ટ બની શકો. એક્સપર્ટનો મતલબ શું? ધી બેસ્ટ. You can't afford to be good at something. તમે કોઈ વસ્તુમાં સારા બનો ઈ તો બધા જ કરી લે છે. You have to be the best. કારણ કે તમે અત્યારના જોઈ રહ્યા છો કેટલી કોમ્પિટિશન છે, કેટલી કોમ્પિટિશન છે. there is so much of competition for one job. એક જોબ ઓફ ઓલા માટે, એક જોબ માટે there are so many people fighting for that position. કેટલા લોકો લડી રહ્યા છે એ પોઝિશન માટે. તો તમે સારા હશો, તમે બેસ્ટ હશો તો જ તમે ઈ પોઝિશન માટે સૂટ થશો. અધરવાઇઝ તો તમે જસ્ટ કોમ્પિટિશનમાં ફેંકાઈ જશો આખા. સો ઇટ્સ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ that you be the best at what you do. It's not sufficient that you are just good at it. You have to be the best at whatever you do. So બહુ જ જરૂરી છે. મને ખબર પડી કે ફાઇનાન્સમાં ગુડથી પણ નીચે હતી, એટલે ફટાફટ મને ઈ લાઈફ નહોતી જોતી રહી કે હું આરામથી લાઈફ આગળ વધું વિધાઉટ માય ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ, વિધાઉટ માય પેશન. દેટ વોઝ નોટ સમથિંગ આઈ વોન્ટેડ. અને મારા પાસે ચોઇસ હતી, મારા પાસે લિબર્ટી હતી કે મેં ઈ જોબ છોડીને હું બીજું કઈ ટ્રાય કરી શકી. ઘણા લોકો પાસે લિબર્ટી નો હોય તો બેટર ટેક અ કરેક્ટ કરિયર ઓપ્શન બિફોર હેન્ડ ઇટસેલ્ફ, બિફોર યુ રિગ્રેટ. તમે રિગ્રેટ કરો એની પહેલા ઇટ્સ બેટર દેટ you take a correct career option. So it's very very important. The fourth point which I would want to say is the unconventional courses. That is one of the major takeaway. As I said that apart from CA, doctor, engineering, બહુ બધા બીજા કોર્સીસ છે. કયા બીજા કોર્સીસ છે? તમારા મગજમાં એમ આવતું હશે કે કયા બીજા કોર્સીસ છે જે CA, એન્જિનિયરિંગ, ડોક્ટર કરતા સારા છે? તમને ખબર છે ફિલ્મોગ્રાફી સિનેમેટોગ્રાફી ડિરેક્ટર બનવામાં કેટલા પૈસા છે અને દેર ઇઝ સો મચ ઓફ સ્કોપ. એનિમેશનમાં કેટલો સ્કોપ છે. અત્યારના કોરોના વાયરસથી લોકો જૂજી રહ્યા છે, બધા ઘણા બધા લોકો, વી આર ઓલ સફરિંગ, હ્યુમન બીંગ્સ ઓવરઓલ બહુ સફર કરી રહ્યા છે. તો કોણ એનું વેક્સિન ગોતે છે? દેર ઇઝ બાયોટેક કંપનીઝ ગોતી રહ્યા છે. બાયોટેકનોલોજીમાં પણ કેટલો સ્કોપ છે. જેને બાયોલોજી ગમે છે, જરૂરી નથી બધા ડોક્ટર બની જાઓ. યુ કેન ગેટ ઇન ટુ બાયોટેકનોલોજી, યુ કેન ગેટ ઇન ટુ ફાર્મસી. એ બી બહુ સારા કોર્સિસ છે. સમજો આ બધા કોર્સિસ જે છે એમાં સેચ્યુરેશન લેવલ થોડું વધી ગયું છે. હવે સીએ ની એટલી ડિમાન્ડ નથી જેટલી પહેલા હોતી હતી. બીકોઝ કેટલા બધા કતારમાં છે, કેટલા બધા બની રહ્યા છે. દેર ઇઝ સો મચ ઓફ હાર્ડવર્ક ઇન્વોલ્વ. તમને સામે મળે છે એટલું રિઝલ્ટ. યુ હેવ ટુ આસ્ક યોર સેલ્ફ બિફોર યુ ચૂઝ દેટ ઓપ્શન. તમે 6-5 years કોઈને સ્ટુડન્ટને કહો છો કે તમે અગર સીએ બની રહ્યા છો, ઇઝ હી મેન્ટલી પ્રિપેર્ડ? અને કેટલું સેચ્યુરેશન લેવલ છે. સેચ્યુરેશન એટલે કેટલા બધા લોકો છે, કોમ્પિટિશન કેટલી બધી છે. બાયોટેકનોલોજી છે, ફાર્મસી છે, માર્કેટિંગ કોર્સ છે, માર્કેટિંગનું બી કેટલું વેલ્યુ છે. બ્રાન્ડ મેનેજર્સ જે હોય, યુઝ્યુઅલી બ્રાન્ડ્સના, ગુચી છે, પ્રાડા છે, એના બ્રાન્ડ મેનેજર્સ આર યુઝ્યુઅલી માર્કેટર્સ. દે અર્ન 4 times of what a CEO or engineer does. Like really good. There is ફિલ્મ લાઈન આખી બહુ મોટી છે, ત્યાં કેટલો સ્કોપ છે. એનિમેશન એઝ અ હોલમાં કેટલો સ્કોપ છે. દેન દેર ઇઝ ડિઝાઇનિંગમાં કેટલો સ્કોપ છે. પ્રોડક્ટ ડિઝાઇનિંગ, કમ્યુનિકેશન ડિઝાઇન, ગ્રાફિક ડિઝાઇન, ખૂબ સ્કોપ છે બધામાં. ઇકોનોમિક્સ પણ બહુ, પીપલ મોર એન્ડ મોર પીપલ આર ટેકિંગ ઇકોનોમિક્સ એઝ અ ડિગ્રી. ઇકોનોમિક્સ, સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સ, આ બધામાં બહુ સ્કોપ છે. એન્ડ ઇટ્સ ઓલવેઝ તમે ભલે એન્જિનિયરિંગ લો, ભલે સીએ લો, આઈ એમ નોટ અગેન્સ્ટ ધીઝ કોર્સિસ, બટ ટેક એન ઇન્ફોર્મ ડિસિઝન. ઇન્ફોર્મ ડિસિઝનનો મતલબ શું કે તમે બધું જાણી કરીને પછી લ્યો છો કે આ બધા જ કોર્સિસ. ધેન યુ રિયલાઇઝ કે ના, મારો આ જ ફોટે છે, મારી આ જ એક્સપર્ટીઝ છે, આગળ ચાલીને આમાં હું બેસ્ટ કરી શકીશ. ધેન પ્લીઝ ગો અહેડ વિથ સીએ, પ્લીઝ ગો અહેડ વિથ એન્જિનિયરિંગ. આઈ એમ નોટ સેઇંગ દેટ these courses are bad and you don't have to take these courses. પણ બધા જ કોર્सेसને ઇક્વલ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ આપીને ઇન્ફોર્મ્ડ ડિસિઝન લો. દેટ ઇઝ વેરી વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. સો ઘણા બધા અનકન્વેન્શનલ કોર્सेस છે. ડેટા સાયન્સનો બહુ સ્કોપ વધી રહ્યો છે. ડેટા સાયન્સ અમેરિકામાં, યુએસમાં ધ હાઈએસ્ટ, આઈ એમ ટેલિંગ યુ ધ ફેક્ટ, અમેરિકામાં હાઈએસ્ટ પેડ જોબ ઇઝ ઓફ અ ડેટા સાયન્ટિસ્ટ. ડેટા સાયન્સનો મતલબ શું કે આપણે ઘણો બધો ડેટા હોય, ઘણું બધું ઇન્ફોર્મેશન હોય, કઈ રીતે એમાંથી યુઝેબલ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન નીકાળવાનું, જે યુઝ થાય એ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન નીકાળીને તમે એનામાં બિઝનેસ ડિસિઝન તમે લ્યો. બિઝનેસ માટે ડેટાનું બહુ જરૂરી છે આજકાલ. ડેટાનું કામ. ડેટા એટલે ફેસબુકમાં તમે તમારી બર્થ ડેટ જે લખો છો, તમારું નામ લખો છો, તમારું બધું જે તમારું એજ ગ્રુપ ખબર પડે એનાથી. તો ફેસબુક વાળાઓ બહુ બધો ડેટા કલેક્ટ કરે છે અને ડેટાનો બિઝનેસ બહુ મોટો છે. So data scientists are the one who makes data as usable information, જે યુઝ થઈ શકે બિઝનેસ માટે. આઈ હોપ યુ આર એબલ ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ગાઈઝ. કાંઈ પણ ડાઉટ હોય પ્લીઝ તમે મને કહો. તો આ તમને હું જસ્ટ અંદાજો આપું છું કે કેટલા બધા રોંગ નોશન્સ આપણા અટેચ છે કરિયર્સથી. આપણે સિમ્પલી 10th આવે સીધું, કાં તો તમે જેઈ માટે પ્રિપેર કરવા લાગો, કાં તો સીએ ની એન્ટ્રન્સ એક્ઝામ માટે પ્રિપેર કરવા લાગો, વિધાઉટ ધ ચાઇલ્ડ નોઈંગ વેર હી ઇઝ ફિટ ઇન. વિધાઉટ નોઈંગ, કઈ ખબર નથી ચાઇલ્ડને થોડુંક એક એક્સપોઝર આપવાની બહુ જરૂર છે. થોડુંક એને અંદાજો આવે, થોડું એક્સપોઝર આવે. સો that forms a very important part before you choose any career. Very very important. So animation, biotechnology, economics, marketing, there is also scope in aviation and merchant navy. કોઈને પાયલટ બનવું છે, કોઈને મર્ચન્ટ નેવીમાં કામ કરવું છે, that is very very good. They also earn a very hefty salary. They earn a lot. Product designers earn so much. Like આ બધાનું ખાલી હું તમને સ્કોપ વાઇઝ પણ કહું છું. એવું નથી કે આ બધા કોર્सेस જસ્ટ નામ પૂરતા છે. Obviously they fetch a very hefty salary. they બહુ સારી સેલેરી મળે છે આ લોકોને. So it is not something which is to be underestimated. આ બધા કોર્सेस ઈ નથી જેને અંડરએસ્ટિમેટ કરવાનું જરૂર છે. સો આ બધી આ સ્ટોરીમાંથી ટેક અવે છે કે મેં જે મિસ્ટેક કરી છે, હું પછી કરિયર કાઉન્સિલિંગમાં આવી, પછી મને અંદાજો આવ્યો કે કેટલી બધી ફિલ્ડ્સ છે જ્યાં બચ્ચાઓ જઈ શકે છે. So that's how I became a career counselor. It's been more than 3 years I am into career counseling, abroad education counseling, and I have seen different type of students, different type of parents, and I have understood that સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ હેવ અ લોટ ઓફ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી, બહુ બધી ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી છે. હું તમને હજી એક એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું. એક છોકરી જે CA, CFA, BCom, MCom કરેલી હતી, એ મારી પાસે આવી that I am not liking the work what I'm doing. આટલી બધી ડિગ્રી લઈ લીધી, પછી કહેતી હતી કે મને ફૂડમાં બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે, ડુ યુ હેવ એની કોર્સ? સો આઈ વોઝ શોક્ડ એટ ધેટ પોઈન્ટ ઓફ ટાઈમ. એક ડોક્ટર છોકરી આવી મારી પાસે કે મને ડોક્ટરમાં જ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ નથી, બનવું જ, મને બની ગઈ છું, સાયન હોસ્પિટલમાં હતી છોકરી, મને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ જ નથી, આ વસ્તુમાં જ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટેડ નથી, આ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ જ નથી મને, તો હાઉ કઈ રીતે શું હું કરી શકું? Then I gave her various options in which she can get into management, healthcare management છે, public health as a whole, masters in public health is a very famous program. તો એ બધા courses જે છે મેં એ લોકોને સજેસ્ટ કર્યા, and I accordingly tilted them. પણ આવા બધા ઘણા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે, તો પેરેન્ટ્સ, I would just request that the students should be aware about various different options before they make a decision about their career. Before એ લોકો કોઈ ડિસિઝન લે એની પહેલા they have to be aware, અવેરનેસ હોવી જોઈએ 100%. ઓકે, હું એક ડાઉટ લઈ લઉં છું હમણાં, કે જીનિત કયાની is asking me, what is your take on finance and marketing as a whole? On finance marketing, see, these both are different fields, Janit. Finance is basically everything relating to money. A person has to be very calculative in nature, a very love for numbers હોવું જોઈએ person ને before they get into finance. ખૂબ સ્કોપ છે એમાં પણ, especially investment banking છે, merger acquisition છે, valuation છે, ઘણા બધા ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ છે જેમાં બહુ જ ડિમાન્ડ છે અને બહુ સારું છે. બે અલગ કોર્सेस છે, ફાઇનાન્સ અને માર્કેટિંગ. અને માર્કેટિંગ સેલિંગ થી રિલેટેડ છે. એનીથિંગ એન્ડ એવરીથિંગ રિલેટિંગ ટુ સેલિંગ ઓફ અ પ્રોડક્ટ ઇઝ માર્કેટિંગ. તમે ડિજિટલ માર્કેટિંગ જોવો, તમે ઇન્ફ્લુઅન્સર્સ માર્કેટિંગ જોવો, તમે ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ પર જે તમે એડ્સ જોતા હો, દેટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો માર્કેટિંગ. એડવર્ટિઝમેન્ટ, હોર્ડિંગ, બધું માર્કેટિંગ. સો અ પરફેક્ટ માર્કેટિયર હેઝ ટુ બી હેવિંગ અ વેરી ગુડ કમ્યુનિકેશન સ્કિલ એન્ડ વેરી ક્રિએટિવ માઇન્ડસેટ. સો બેઉમાં ઇક્વલ સ્કોપ છે, બેઉમાં સારો સ્કોપ છે. It depends on where you stand, like તમારા attributes કેવા છે, what are you fitting in. So that is very important, Jinit. But both of them have very good scope. My take is that. Okay, Jinit, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Hello everyone, everyone has greeted me very well, thank you. Hello everyone, hope everyone is safe and at their place. All my good wishes to all of you. Jeel Shah is asking me, can you suggest on how to become a data scientist, like what is the pathway? Jeel, very good question. There are a lot of ways in which you can become a data scientist. I don't know what you are studying right now, but if you are in your 10th or 11th, what you can do is you can take up computer science, computer engineering you can take up, and then you can do your masters in data science. That is like very good, pretty good option. Otherwise, now there are BS, bachelors of engineering in data science. NMIMS e પણ start કર્યું છે. That is also an option. અગર તમે કોમર્સમાં ઓલરેડી છો, સો ઘણા બધા પ્રાઇવેટ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુટ્સે પણ ડેટા સાયન્સનો કોર્સ ચાલુ થયો છે. So it is very much possible that if you are a commerce student, you can still become a data scientist, Jean. So I have given you 3 options, so you can choose any, and definitely you can accordingly let me know. Okay, so if you have any doubts. Yeah, so there are a lot of options, doubts coming in. I'll be taking 2 more doubts and then I will be I will be going ahead with my topic. So Jinit Kayani is again saying, which country has the highest scope for finance and marketing? US is good, Canada is good, Australia is good. In fact, India is also good, but then I would say both finance, marketing equally. US has amazing scope, especially New York City as a whole. It's a finance hub. When it comes to marketing, also New York City has lot of scope. Currently, the situation is very bad because of Corona, as you know. But usually, considering the extraordinary situation, aside kari nakho Corona ne, then it has a lot of scope. Jinit, I hope I've cleared your doubt. Dipali Thakkar is asking me. Yeah, Dipali Thakkar is asking me, what are the options available after architecture? So you are a BArch student, Dipali. So if you're a BArch student, you can do MArch, Masters in Architecture. You can do Masters in Urban Planning. You can do Masters in Construction Management. Lot of options for you after architecture. Usually urban planning and design ma બહુ બધા લોકો જાય છે. So you can get into it. It has good scope and good money. So urban planning and design masters. So a lot of countries are famous for the same. India ma ocho masters no scope છે comparatively. UK has very good scope for architecture. Australia has lot of good architecture scope. I hope your doubt is cleared, Dipali. One second, there is, yeah, Vatsal Sheth is asking me what about mass media after graduation, media management after graduation in BMS. Very good. I hope, Vatsal, you have done BMS with a specialization or in marketing. I hope you have done that, and you can get into media management. Other option which I would like to give you is MBA in marketing as a whole. It will, give you better scope and better option, because in India usually people prefer MBA in marketing more. So if you're wanting to do it in India, then you should be looking at the option of MBA in marketing as well. So that also has equal scope. And if you want to do media management as a whole, then out of India, masters would be better. But in India, MBA marketing has a lot of good scope. You can even do the PG diploma in marketing from MICA, Mundra Institute of Communication, Ahmedabad. That is also really famous for marketing. So, Vatsal, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Zeal, not a problem. Ashi Katira is asking me, can you tell something and give an idea about CFA? Oh yes, I can give you all the idea about CFA. Very well versed about CFA. CFA is basically hardcore finance. You understand about valuation, alternative investments, hedge funds. તમને ફાઇનાન્સમાં બહુ in-depth knowledge તમને CFA આપે છે. So usually that is meant to be done after your graduation when you start working. તમે જ્યારે એક્સપિરિયન્સ લો છો ત્યારે તમે આઈડિયલી CFA કરવું જોઈએ. Very good scope. It's a US based professional degree, and it has very good scope, but make sure you do a job. CFA ની એક્ઝામ આપતા આપતા તમે જોબ કરી રહ્યા છો. ફુલ્લી તમારે CFA માં ડેડિકેટ થવાની જરૂર નથી. CFA કોર્સ એવો જ છે જે તમને જોબ વર્ક એક્સપિરિયન્સ સાથે તમને બેટર અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ આવશે. I hope I have cleared your doubt, Ashi. But 40% passing, percentage passing, 40% is the passing, and pretty good program. CFA practical knowledge काफी आपे छे तमने. It's not archaic, it's good, it's very updated. So yes, it's good according to me. Janil Shah is asking me, can you please give details about actuarial science, like which stream should I choose? There is, I don't know why, but then there is a lot of craze of actuarial science amongst the youngsters these days. Every day I get some or other student ki ma'am actuarial science karna hai, and then I make them realize that what is the scope, what is the pros and cons. Janil, usually actuarial science is heavy on quants. Statistics बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए आपका. You have to have really good maths and statistics નું knowledge તમારી પાસે બહુ સારું હોવું જોઈએ. So in case you are really interested in actuarial, you can go ahead with commerce as a whole, take maths, and accordingly you can start your actuaries. Science is also doable, but usually commerce થી તમારે ideally actuarial science કરવું જોઈએ. Usually that is the way. But in case you need like more knowledge, you can definitely contact me. So that will be really good. I will be sharing my number soon, and definitely I'll be contacting, and you can contact me anytime. So Lord Infinity is asking me, what is the scope of actuaries in India? So again, see, actuarial has a very sort of good craze in India amongst youngsters. So actuarial does have good scope, I am not denying, but it has limited job opportunities. Insurance companies hire actuaries. જે rate of interest અને premium decide કરવાનું હોય, one second, rate of interest ke premium decide karvanu hoy, that usually is done by mathematical models prepared by actuary. Mathematical models hoy આખા જે actuaries prepare કરે, and usually એનાથી ખબર પડે કે rate of interest શું હોવું જોઈએ, premium શું હોવું જોઈએ. So insurance companies hire actuaries. So limited job opportunities and though dry in nature. There are better options than actuary also, so which I would prefer, but it does have good scope. Not like too good scope, but good scope, 100%. I hope I have cleared your doubt, Lord Infinity. Oh my God, there are a lot of doubts. I think I should be going ahead right now. I will be going ahead with my small topic of how exactly one should choose their career, and then I'll be taking all the doubts. 100% I will be taking. There are very interesting doubts, and I can't wait to take these doubts, and I would love to solve all these things. Okay. So basically, I told you about my story as a whole, that what are the takeaways, that you should not be going with the herd mentality. Friends જે કરતા હોય એના સાથે તમે નહીં જાઓ. તમે પોતાનું રિસર્ચ કરો, that is very important. Unconventional courses, અલગ અલગ ટાઈપના કોર્સીસની જાણ રાખો, તમે અવેરનેસ રાખો, પછી તમે ડિસિઝન લ્યો. સો આ બધી ટેકઅવેઝ હતા. બટ હવે તમે પૂછતા હશો, માઇન્ડમાં હશો, તો કઈ રીતે અમે વિચારીએ કે કઈ રીતે કરિયર ઓપ્શન એક્ઝેક્ટલી ચૂઝ કરવું જોઈએ. Understand, first and foremost is awareness. All the career options are required to be aware about. Student needs to be, બધાની જાણ હોવી જોઈએ, બધાની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન હોવી જોઈએ બધા કરિયર ઓપ્શન્સની. સો દેટ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. Students should be aware about all the career options at their disposal. That is number one point. નાનાથી મોટા કોર્सेस સુધી એકવાર માટે અવેરનેસ તો હોવી જ જોઈએ. Second point is very important, that એટ્રીબ્યુટ્સ હોય હંમેશા. એક કરિયરનું એક એટ્રીબ્યુટ એટલે નેચર હોય, કરિયરનો બી નેચર હોય, તમારો બી નેચર છે. તમારે બંનેને અલાઇન કરવાના છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, માર્કેટિંગ, અ પરફેક્ટ માર્કેટિયર. માર્કેટિંગના રિલેટેડ મને કાફી ડાઉટ્સ આવે, તો આઈ એમ ગિવિંગ યુ એક્ઝામ્પલ અબાઉટ માર્કેટિંગ ઓનલી. કે a perfect marketeer is very good when it comes to communication skills, very good when it comes to convincing skills, very good when it comes to they are very extrovert in nature, એક્સપ્રેસિવ છે બહુ જ. તમે ચૂપ બેસવા વાળા સારા માર્કેટિયર નો બની શકે. ફાઇનાન્સ સારા બની શકે તો બી, બટ માર્કેટિંગ માટે યુ હેવ ટુ બી વેરી એક્સપ્રેસિવ. તમારે એક્સપ્રેસિવ હોવા જોઈએ નેચરમાં. હવે આ બધા ક્વોલિટીઝ તમારા પાસે છે કે નહીં, તમારે પૂછવાનું, થોડુંક રિસર્ચ કરવાનું, કરિક્યુલમના બારામાં રિસર્ચ કરવાનું, કોલેજીસ શું છે, આગળ શું હું કરી શકીશ, આમાં કેવી કેવી ટાઈપની જોબ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટીઝ છે. each and everything needs to be considered, and then you have to take the decision. તો attributes match કરવા બહુ જરૂરી છે તમારા versus that career option ના. It's very important. That is point number 2. Point number 3 is scope. Scope નો મતલબ શું કે હવે સપોઝિટલી સાયકોલોજી એઝ અ હોલ, બહુ બધા યંગસ્ટર્સ ને એનો બી ક્રેઝ છે સાયકોલોજીનો, બટ એનો સ્કોપ ઇન્ડિયામાં છે કે નહીં. તમારે આગળ ચાલીને અગર ઇન્ડિયામાં રહેવું છે, ફ્રેન્કલી સાયકોલોજીનો એઝ અ હોલ ઇન્ડિયામાં ઓછો સ્કોપ છે કમ્પેરેટિવલી. કારણ કે આપણા માટે કોન્સેપ્ટ હજી આવ્યો જ નથી. ફોર યુ, યોર સાયકોલોજીસ્ટ આર યુઝ્યુઅલી યોર પેરેન્ટ્સ. યુ નેવર હેવ ધ હેબિટ ટુ ગો ટુ અ થેરેપિસ્ટ. અબ્રોડમાં એ લોકો એકલા રહેતા હોય, એ લોકો પાસે કોઈ વાત કરવા માટે હોય નહીં. દેટ્સ વાય ત્યાં સાયકોલોજીસ્ટ અને થેરેપિસ્ટનો જે કોર્સ છે ત્યાં બહુ ડિમાન્ડ છે એ લોકોને. બટ ઇન્ડિયામાં એટલી ડિમાન્ડ નથી. તો યુ હેવ ટુ અકોર્ડિંગલી ટેક અ ડિસિઝન કે હું સાયકોલોજીમાં જાઉં કે ન જાઉં, કારણ કે સ્કોપ ઓછો છે કમ્પેરેટિવલી ઇન્ડિયામાં. So that is also to be considered. Scope is also to be considered when you are choosing your career. કે તમારે ક્યાં રહેવું છે, accordingly you have to choose. Biotechnology also, there is very good scope in biotechnology. પણ unfortunately ઇન્ડિયામાં વધારે કોલેજીસ નથી જે ઓફર કરી રહી બાયોટેકનોલોજી. ફેકલ્ટી પણ ઓછી સારી છે, બહુ સારી નથી. જેવી રીતે દેર આર બીજી બધા કોર્સીસ માટે ફેકલ્ટી અને યુનિવર્સિટીઝ બહુ બધી છે, બાયોટેકનોલોજીમાં ગણી ચૂનીને છે. સો અબ્રોડમાં બહુ સારી છે, સ્પેશિયલી યુકે, યુએસમાં બોસ્ટન કરીને એક જગ્યા છે, ત્યાં આખી સ્ટ્રીટ છે વિચ ઇઝ ફિલ્ડ વિથ બાયોટેકનોલોજી સ્ટાર્ટઅપ્સ. તો એટલો સ્કોપ છે, તમને જોબ માટે ક્યારે તમને તકલીફ આવશે જ નહીં. સો ઇફ યુ આર રેડી ટુ ગો અબ્રોડ, બાયોટેકનોલોજી, સાયકોલોજી બોથ આર રિયલી ગુડ. બટ ઇન્ડિયામાં કમ્પેરેટિવલી ઓછો સ્કોપ છે. તો આ તમારે કન્સિડર કરવું જોઈએ before you take the career option. So three points I've already told you on how to choose the career. First is awareness. Second is align your attributes of your own attributes with the career option. Now attributes you have to match that. Third is the scope of that particular career option. Scope શું છે એનો. તો આ 3 points is important. Fourth point is, as I even told you before, expert હોવું બહુ જરૂરી છે. તમે કોઈ કોર્સ અગર લઈ રહ્યા છો, you have to make sure that you become the best in that particular course. Not good, not okay, you become the best. So always remember, take a course which is you think you can ace it totally. તમે એકદમ જ સારા બની શકો જેમાં. That is also very important. Fifth point on how to choose your career is that you need to talk to an experienced person. તમે તમારો career choice જ્યારે કરતા હો ત્યારે બહુ જરૂરી છે કે તમે સક્સેસફુલ લોકો સાથે વાત કરતા હો. ફ્રેન્ડ્સને પૂછવાની જરૂર નથી કે હું આ લઉં કે નો લઉં, બીકોઝ ફ્રેન્ડ્સને તમારા જેટલું જ નોલેજ હશે કાં તો તમારી કરતા ઓછું. તો why to ask your friends? You should ask experienced people. તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સ છે, સક્સેસફુલ પીપલ છે, ask them whether I'm fit for this particular program or not. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ને ઇન્ફ્લુઅન્સ નહીં કરવા દો તમારા પોતાના career option ma. You don't have to take influence, you don't have to be influenced by your friends. That is also very important. Sixth point is very important: abroad options. બહુ બધા લોકો જનરલી કન્સિડર જ ન કરે કે અબ્રોડ જવું જ ન, ઇન્ડિયામાં જ રહેવું છે. મારાથી પણ એ ભૂલ થઈ હતી ગાઈસ. એકવાર જાણી લો, ભલે તમારે અબ્રોડ નથી જવું, બટ સ્ટીલ અવેરનેસ હોવી બહુ જરૂરી છે. અબ્રોડમાં કઈ રીતે થાય છે, શું થાય છે, કેટલા વર્ષનો કોર્સ છે, વેધર ઇટ વિલ બી ગુડ ફોર મી ઓર નોટ. એકવાર અવેરનેસ હોવી બહુ જરૂરી છે અબ્રોડ ઓપ્શનમાં, બીકોઝ ત્યાંનું કરિક્યુલમ ને ત્યાંનું જે એજ્યુકેશન છે દેટ ઇઝ ફેન્ટાબ્યુલસ. ઇટ ઇઝ nowhere compared to Indian education. It is so good. તો એકવાર જાણવામાં તો કઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી. ભલે તમે નો એન્ડ અપ કરો, ઇન્ડિયામાં જ ભણો, દેટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો ફાઇન, ટોટલી ફાઇન વિથ મી, બટ એટલીસ્ટ નો યોર ઓપ્શન્સ ઇન અબ્રોડ એઝ વેલ. ઘણા લોકોને એમ થાય અમે અફોર્ડ જ નથી કરી શકતા તો બચ્ચાને ઇન્ડિયામાં જ રાખવો છે, બટ there are so many loan facilities which are available. હવે જે અફોર્ડ નથી કરી શકતા એ બી પોતાના છોકરાને અબ્રોડ મોકલી શકે છે. એકવાર જાણી લો. The whole point is that you should be aware about abroad options as well. So these are the 6 points which I would recommend you on how you can choose your career. First is awareness, second is the attributes, third is the scope, fourth is the expertise, fifth is talk to experienced people. Even career counselors help a lot when it comes to taking a decision. So it's always better you take a career counseling session, because you will have a proper clarity of how you should go about with it, how you should go about with your career plan as a whole. So it is very very important that career counseling કરાવવું પણ બહુ જરૂરી છે. જો તમે બહુ જ નક્કી હો કે મને આ જ કરવું છે, તો બી તમારો આગળનો કરિયર પ્લાન કેવો હોવો જોઈએ, that is also very important. હાર્વર્ડ અગર તમારે જવું છે, 10 વર્ષ પહેલા મહેનત કરવી પડે ત્યારે જઈને તમે હાર્વર્ડ જાઓ છો. So it's very important that you talk to some career counselor, talk to experienced people. It is very important. And sixth is the abroad option. Be open about it and get information of the same. I have covered the topic of how to choose your career. Now I have flooded with my doubt session. So I will be taking one by one. All the doubts will be cleared. Don't worry, guys. Lot of doubts. So I ended at oh my god, yeah. So Dipesh Gandhi is asking me which marketing is best, FMCG, finance, or any other sector. I didn't understand your question, Dipesh Gandhi. It will be great if you can reiterate. તમે પાછું લખી સકો તો better છે. Marketing, which marketing is the best? I didn't understand. So please reiterate your question. It will be great. I will be able to answer you properly then. And Forum Shah is asking me MS programs after studying BPharm plus MBA from NMIMS. Yes, you can do pharmaceutical sciences, a master's in pharmaceutical science, Forum Shah. You can definitely go ahead with that. There is pharmacoeconomics as well, Forum. So masters in pharmacoeconomics. You can even do pharma plus business courses. There are a lot of dual courses of pharmacy plus business. You can even go forward with that. New Jersey Institute of Technology is very famous for that. You can take up management courses also, masters in management. So there are a lot of options for you, Forum. After BPharm plus MBA from NMIMS, you should ideally be going for MS programs. It will help you boost your profile to a great extent. Usually New Jersey is very good for pharmacy, and even Boston is really good. Both the areas have a lot of opportunities when it comes to pharmacy. So I hope I have cleared your doubt, Forum. I will go ahead with the next. Dhruv Shah is asking me difference between CFA and MBA finance. Dhruv, both are little different. When it CFA તમને હાર્ડકોર ફાઇનાન્સના બારામાં નોલેજ આપશે, MBA તમને મેનેજમેન્ટ સ્કિલ આપશે. દો તમે ફાઇનાન્સ તમે સેકન્ડ યરમાં તમે સ્પેશિયલાઇઝેશન ચૂઝ કરી શકો છો, બટ ઓવરઓલ મેનેજ કઈ રીતે કરવું, that is MBA all about, contacts કઈ રીતે બનાવવાના, business કઈ રીતે કરવું, startups. So ઈ બધાનું knowledge, management knowledge is very very important when it comes to MBA. Group projects વધારે હશે. CFA માં તો તમને books already હશે, તમારે knowledge લઈને તમારે basically exam આપવાની. So that's why it has to be done along with job. MBA is like a full-time thing. You have to go on campus, you have to make different contacts, you have to do a lot of group projects. So it is aimed at your overall personality, MBA. CFA is aimed to improve your knowledge in finance. That is the difference, Dhruv. So I hope I'm clear with that. I hope I have, cleared your doubt, Dhruv. Hetal Savla is asking me, after diploma, can we go for data science? Yes, why not, Hetal? You can definitely go forward with it. As I said, there is lot of BE, Bachelors of Engineering in Data Science, BTech in Data Science, ઈ પણ થાય છે. તમે computer science and IT related courses લઈ લો, information technology અગર તમે લઈ લ્યો તો આગળ ચાલીને તમે masters બી data science માં કરી શકો છો. Lot of options. Yes, Hetal Savla, you can definitely go ahead with data science. Vatsal Sheth is asking me, there is PG diploma course specially for media. I know about it from Wellinger course. It's not that great, frankly, Vatsal. It's better if you do MBA in marketing from good colleges. That does not include Wellingers. There are good colleges in Mumbai which you can go, Mumbai or India as a whole, which you can go ahead with. This will not fetch you a very good salary, Vatsal. Frankly, I'm saying I have students who have done this, so that's why I'm telling you. It's okay, so course, not that great, frankly. I hope I've cleared your doubt, Vatsal. Disha Shah is asking me, what is your take on cinematography? Also, which country has good scope? Whistling Woods in Mumbai has very good, scope. Has very good this thing course of cinematography as a whole. Whistling Woods, so you can go ahead with that. And New York Film Academy, excellent cinematography. So you can do from that. I hope I've cleared your doubt, Disha. US में New York Film Academy, Mumbai में Whistling Woods. Both are pretty good, and you can definitely go ahead with the same. Hetal Talsania is asking me, what about astrophysics courses? Astrophysics courses have like, it's good, obviously, it's all about astronomy as a whole, and it does have good scope. But unfortunately, in India, if you want to become an astrophysicist, there are not many colleges, and plus south mein hai thode colleges, but it's not that recognized. You should ideally be going to Texas. Houston, Texas has amazing astrophysics courses. So, Hetal, India ma I would not recommend you to do it. You can do it in abroad. That has better scope. Astrophysics as a whole. Prabodh Mehta is asking me, there is any scope for accounting? Please tell me, ma'am. Yeah, there is good scope. There is something called SAP, which is, it is a software. And in a બહુ બધા courses, certificate courses થાય છે. And accounting માટે, that is the next thing, which is next big thing. તમને ખબર હશે, Tally કરીને એક software છે જે બહુ famous હતું. તો ટેલી બધી જ ઓફિસીસમાં યુઝ થતું હતું. હવે that is replaced by SAP. So એના certificate programs તમે કરી શકો છો. અને accounting relating definitely બહુ બધું scope છે. Accounting standards તમે ભણી શકો છો. Masters in accounting કરી શકો છો. BAF કરીને courses છે. I don't know where you are currently. Undergraduate કે graduate, I am not very aware. But BAF, Bachelors in Accounts and Finance, so scope કાફી સારો છે. Yes, Prabodh, you can go ahead with accounting. It's a good course. Rita Shah is asking me, apart from MBA and CFA, any other course for finance which can impact as a major, for your career growth? You can do masters in finance from JBIMS, Jamnalal Bajaj. That will also boost your profile. You can do masters in abroad also. There is a very good suggestion which I would like to give you, Rita Shah. You can do fintech, financial technology. Technology in finance has a huge scope. Huge scope. So basically, જે coding programming languages જે હોય છે, technology as a whole, એ finance માં કઈ રીતે તમારે inculcate કરવાની. So એનો આખો course થાય છે. So ideally that will also help you boost your career to another level. So એના માટે masters program થાય છે, masters in financial engineering, masters in quantitative finance, masters in computational finance. બહુ સારા courses છે આ બધા. ઈ બી તમને કાફી boost કરી નાખશે, Rita Shah. Definitely it will help you. So I think I have cleared your doubt. Oh my God, there are a lot of doubts. 1 second, I'm lost. Yeah, here. Chandni, I hope I've cleared your doubt, Miss Rita. Chandni Sheth is asking me, is BCom, Actuarial Science plus CA advisable to do? Chandni, this is too much to aim for. Just aim for little things before. Do CA first and then you can aim for actuaries, or do actuaries and don't aim for CA. Both are like pretty rigorous courses. You will just, be studying all together. તમને જે પ્રેક્ટિકલ નોલેજ છે એ તમને મળશે જ નહીં, એન્ડ ધેટ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઇન લાઈફ. પ્રેક્ટિકલ નોલેજ હંમેશા ભણવું ઇઝ નોટ એવરીથિંગ. ભણવા સાથે તમારે પ્રેક્ટિકલ નોલેજ બી ગેઇન કરવી જોઈએ, તો પ્લીઝ એમ ફોર સ્મોલ થિંગ્સ. ઇવેન્ચ્યુઅલી ગેઇન નોલેજ. વિથ વર્ક યુ કેન ઓલ્સો ગેઇન નોલેજ. સો ઇટ્સ નોટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ તમે બધું એક સાથે લૂંટી લો. ધીરે ધીરે બધું કરવાનું. સો આઈડિયલી just take one thing at one point of time, Chandni. I would like to suggest you that. But definitely it will have a very good scope. Either, I believe, either do actuaries or CA, don't do both. That is my take. I hope I'm clear, Chandni. Lord Infinity, before that, Jinit Kayani is asking me, which entrance exam do you recommend to study abroad? GRE, GMAT. So all these exams for commerce or any, science also. GRE, there is an exam called GRE or GMAT, which usually, you have to give. It's not about my recommendation. It's basically you have to give those exams if you want to study abroad. But that also depends from country to country, Jinit. It's better if we connect, I will be giving my number, and it's better if we connect, and I will be telling you that which country has what entrance exams. But usually GRE, GMAT is what is required. Okay, Jinit, I hope I've cleared your doubt. When one should start learning about UPSC exam? I'm still in 9th standard. Lord Infinity, of lot of time for doing UPSC exam. It is ideally you have to, for UPSC, usually one clears, one becomes something, be it a CA, engineer, or whatever you want to become. Specialize in some course, some degree, and then ideally start studying for UPSC. You have a long way to go. Chill right now. Just, focus on what you want to become. UPSC comes a little later in life. So I have a chartered accountant friend who already has 2 years, 3 years of work experience, and now then he's planning for doing UPSC exams. So as of now, don't think about UPSC. First, focus on what you want to become in life. Okay, Lord Infinity, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Chill, guys, everyone. Okay. Janil Shah is asking me, one wants to take civil services like IFS and IAS. So how to plan for it? Janil, just I cleared the doubt of Lord Infinity. I will like to say again that try to become some specialist in something. Be it any course, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी ले लो, डॉक्टर ले लो, कोई भी कोर्स ले लो, एक बार पहले वो आप अच्छे से करो. उसके बाद you can think of becoming an UPSC. You can do IFS, you can do IAS. There are entrance exam for the same. See, understand, these exams are very rigorous, and it's always better you have some experience before you take the decision of going ahead with UPSC. It's very, very important. So that's why I always prefer that my students take UPSC exams or whatever IFS exams after they clear their graduation. Usually after they clear their graduation is the time for UPSC exams. I hope I have cleared your doubt, Janil. Nilesh Shah is asking me, what are the options after CA? I'm currently into hedge funds accounting. Nilay, very good question. What you can do is after CA, you can either go forward for MBA in finance in India, do it only from the top colleges, IIM ABC or ISB, Hyderabad. Only from those colleges, so you can do MBA in finance, or you can do your masters abroad. Masters fintech, as I just told some Rita Shai, I think I told her that financial technology has lot of scope, so you can get into that as well. Technology interests you a lot. You can become a chartist, or you can become a financial engineer altogether. So it has a lot of good money as well as scope. I hope I've cleared your doubt, Nilay. Anubhuti is asking me, what if you're passionate about a particular career but much of scope? Should we leave our passion aside and go ahead with a career which has scope? Anubhuti, very, very good question. Very, very good question. Understand, you have to see both. If you are passionate about something and it does not have any scope in India, it is of no point, because that passion will hurt you then. If आप पैसे ही नहीं कमा पाओगे आगे, उसमें आपको जॉब नहीं मिलेगा, तो you will regret. So you have to try aligning both, कि जहां आपको इंटरेस्ट हो प्लस आपका पैशन स्कोप कहाँ पे है. दोनों चीज have to be aligned. You don't have to take a particular career option and put yourself in risk. આ બધી વસ્તુ બહુ રિસ્ક વાળી છે. સો ઇટ્સ ઓલવેઝ બેટર યુ ટેક સમથિંગ વિચ ઇઝ લેસ રિસ્કી, અનુભૂતિ. So my answer to your question would be that you have to try something where both are aligned. You can't let either of that go. Like, if you have any doubts, you can definitely let me know, Anubhuti. But very nice question. Forum Shah is asking me, is this COVID situation, in this COVID situation, how can we plan our further studies abroad? Like, when to go and which country? Understand, Forum, when you want to go abroad, it's usually 1 year before is when you have to start your preparation. Okay, 1 year before preparation in the sense application process and everything, the other formalities you have to start 1 year before. So for the September intake, you ideally have to start planning from this September October intake, this 2020 September October. कोरोना इंडिया में भी है और सब कंट्रीज में है. ऑल द कंट्रीज आर अफेक्टेड इक्वली. इकोनॉमी सबकी थोड़ी थोड़ी अभी आ रही है बाहर. थोड़ी थोड़ी इट इज रिकवरिंग राइट नाउ, इट इज इन अ मेस राइट नाउ, वट एवर इट इज नॉट इन अ गुड स्टेट बेसिकली. सो इवन इफ यू गो अब्रॉड, पहले तो आपका इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू स्टडी. 2 વર્ષ તો તમારે ભણવાનું છે ફોરમ. સો 2 years પછી you will find a job. So you don't have to think about corona as a whole, because jobs તમારે તો પછી find out કરવાના હતા. ત્યાં સુધી 3 years માં તો definitely બધું ઠીક થઈ જ જવાનું છે. So as of now you are open to all the countries, because India is also equally affected. So be open for every opportunity for abroad, because mostly all students are going for next year intake. I have a lot of students and they are all going, because understand, there is no point staying in India only and wasting your years. So plan with whatever country you want. आपका course क्या है वो हिसाब से you have to plan on which country you have to go. And don't think about corona as a whole, because you have to find your job later on. પછી તમારે find કરવાનું છે. Okay, Forum? So I hope I have cleared your doubt. Jinit is asking me, can coding be a major point in the resume while applying for marketing job? No, not for marketing job. Coding is not a major point, Jinit. If you have done internships in marketing, that will be a major point. But coding computers will be an add-on degree, add-on thing. Degree kya? Add-on thing if you know in your resume, but it will not be a major thing. Okay, Jinit, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Chandani Sheth is asking me, MBA in finance is advisable to do in India or abroad? That depends on where you want to stay, Chandani. If you want to stay in India, do Indian MBA. If you want to stay abroad, do abroad ka MBA. But both have equal scope. India mein, just I want to say, you have scope only when you do it from the top-notch college. It's important you do it from top universities only. You go to tier 2, that means आपका salary पे बहुत impact होगा, आपका value as a whole थोड़ा कमी होगा MBA का. You might be aware that so many colleges offer MBA and every other person is doing MBA, but only people who do it from the top-notch colleges, उनका MBA degree is valuable. So always make sure, Chandani, that if you are doing MBA, it's better if you do it from good colleges. Rucha Parik is asking me, can you guide me on how to take a career on animation? Rucha, yes, definitely I can guide you. You can take a BMM, Bachelor's of Mass Media, and along with that, you can do animation related some diploma courses or certificate courses. And later on, you can do your master's in animation from abroad, because animation also as a whole has great scope in abroad compared to India. Because there is Marvel, DC, એ બધા movies abroad માં બહુ animators are paid crores of rupees. India માં થોડોક ઓછો scope છે. So what you can do is you can take BMM, Bachelor's of Mass Media. Along with that, you can take up diploma courses and then you can do your masters. I hope I have cleared your doubt, Rucha. Oh God, there are a lot of doubts. Yeah, Anubhuti is asking me, what if okay, I have already cleared your doubt, I think, Anubhuti. I have already cleared. Kavita Shah is asking me, any opportunities for aerospace in India? Yes, aerospace as a whole, frankly, just 2 days back there were engineers who had come, aeronautical engineers. They were aeronautical engineers, and trust me, they were wanting to become pilots then, because उनके इस field में कोई ज्यादा scope नहीं था. उनके फील्ड में ज्यादा जॉब्स ही अवेलेबल नहीं थी, दैट्स व्हाई दे वर प्लानिंग टू बिकम पायलट सो दैट उनको जॉब मिले. सो एरोस्पेस, आई थिंक समवन हैड इवन आस्क्ड फॉर एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स, aeronautical engineering, these all courses have a little lesser scope in India comparatively. So it's always better if you take something which has a little less risk compared to these courses. If you want to still pursue these courses, better you do it from abroad universities, it will have great scope. Okay, Miss Kavita Shah, I hope I have cleared your doubts. Any international university certificates in India for studying from home and commerce field? Yes, Nehi, you can definitely get a lot of international university certificates. You can do certificates from Coursera, EDX, MOOCs. Coursera, 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 EDX, MOOCs. These are various online platforms from where you can study and get international university certificates. There, these are the university. ये जो platform है, આ જે platform છે એમાં universities જ પોતાનો course નાખે છે અને એનું certificate તમને મળે છે. So it has very good value. So you can get into Coursera, EDX, MOOCs, અને તમે commerce related, you can get a lot of courses. Okay, so you can definitely pursue these short courses and collect the certificates. આ તમને આગળ ચાલીને profile building માં બી બહુ કામ લાગશે સ્નેહી. So it will be really helpful. I hope I have cleared your doubts, Snehi. Ronak Shah is asking me, I'm a qualified chartered accountant. Can you give me a brief about blockchain technology and any other field area which according to you is trending now or has good scope to add on? As I said before also, Ronak, financial technology, financial engineering will have a lot of scope in future. I had a CSEFS student who went for financial engineering, MS in financial engineering just recently. So you can definitely go ahead with that. Blockchain technology is also included in the coursework. Using mathematical models, using models as a whole, using programming languages and coding in finance is the next big thing. I hope you would have heard of algorithm trading, algo trading. That is also becoming really huge. So technology is becoming a backbone of finance. So if you want to have an edge, you should ideally be well versed with technology as a whole. So you can definitely pursue my master's in financial engineering. Still, if you have any doubts, I will be giving my number and you can definitely let me know. So I don't know, somehow I'm not able to add my comments over here. So my number is 98335 So I'll be writing it in the private chat. I think Hardik Bhai will be able to help me. That is my number. So 98335 So I hope I have cleared your doubt, Ronak Shah, but very good, very good question. There are a lot of doubts. One second. Where did I end? Yeah, over here. Rita Shah is asking me, what's your review on fashion designing? Very good scope, Rita Shah. Fashion designing has very good scope. It's just that you make sure that you're you do it from a very good institute. NIFT is very famous for fashion designing, and make sure that the one who is doing fashion designing has a very creative mindset, because fashion designing માં competition બહુ બધી છે. તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો હમણાં ઘરે ઘરે બધા ફેશન ડિઝાઇનર્સ બની રહ્યા છે. તો મેક શ્યોર કે જે કરી રહ્યું છે એની આખી ક્રિએટિવિટી જ અલગ લેવલ ઉપર હોવી જોઈએ અને એને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હોવો જોઈએ ફેશન ડિઝાઇનિંગ માટે. બટ આ નેવર એન્ડિંગ ઓલું છે વસ્તુ. 100% બહુ સ્કોપ છે ફેશન ડિઝાઇનિંગમાં. જસ્ટ દેટ યોર the one who is doing fashion designing must have a very very creative mindset કારણ કે competition બહુ છે. Okay, but good scope, 100% Rita Shah. Okay. Ayusha is asking me, can we do architecture through commerce? No, Ayusha, you can't do architecture through commerce. You have to take science because that's the new rule which has come. There are some private institutes like Marangoni or Pearl Academy, they accept, but it is not a BArch degree. It's bachelor's in architecture and interior design. 3 years or 4 years degree. 3 years, I would say. 3-year degree છે જે private institutions provide કરે છે. એમાં તમે commerce થી જઈ શકો છો તો બી. But when it comes to the government recognition, NATA exam through તમે જે કહો, you have to do it through science. I hope I've cleared your doubt, Ayush. Dipesh Gandhi is asking me, I mean to say, if you want to choose a career in marketing, then which marketing career is advisable? Okay, that way you are asking. I understood, Dipesh, now your question. You can get into marketing research. Marketing research is trending. Integrated marketing communication, IMC, it is trending a lot. Data, basically marketing માં બી બહુ બધું ડેટા આવે જેમાં તમે સ્ટડી કરો, તો that is trending a lot. Data studying in marketing, તો ઈ marketing research ની અંદર બહુ આવે છે. So that you can definitely go ahead and do. Usually marketing is highly paid than sales. Sales તમે જે job કરો છો એની કરતા તમે marketing માં અગર જાઓ તો તમે better earn કરી રહ્યા છો. And definitely brand management છે કે તમે you handle the media as a whole. Media માં તમે અગર જાઓ, that is also gaining a lot of popularity. So this is all very trending in marketing. Marketing careers તમે કહો તો marketing research, integrated marketing communication, all these things are very very famous. Thank you બધા. અમારા નંબર અહીંયા મેન્શન્ડ છે, હાર્દિક વોરાએ લખ્યું છે, ઇવન KVSO લખ્યું છે. પ્લીઝ નોટ ડાઉન. ઇન કેસ યુ નીડ અ career counseling session, you can definitely get in touch with me. You can even let me know if you need to go abroad. I am an abroad counselor as well. My students have gone to the top-notch universities like UC Berkeley, University of California Berkeley, Columbia University, NYU. Whenever you need an abroad counseling session, you can let me know. Career counseling session, you can let me know. My number is mentioned over there. I will be clearing your doubts till then. I hope I've cleared your doubt, Dipesh Gandhi. Tejal Mehta is asking me, my son is in 10th. Which country is the best for business management, and what is the approx cost and duration of the course? I hope you want to send your child after 12th, Tejal. I am sure about it. So you can, country in the sense you can either do it from US or UK. Usually after 12th, I suggest you these two countries because it's a global degree. Bachelor's પછી usually global degree તમે લ્યો તો better રહે. Masters માટે તમે કોઈ બી બીજી countryમાં બી જઈ શકો છો, પણ bachelor's માટે it's very important you take a global degree. So US, UK both are very good when it comes to management. Approx cost is a very big important thing. Bachelor's cost is little high. It may go 5 or 6 times more than what you might be spending in India. તમે અગર US માં કરી રહ્યા છો તો તમારો કોસ્ટ મે બી crore થી ઉપર પણ વયો જઈ શકે છે 4 વર્ષ માટે. UK થી અગર કરી રહ્યા છો તો 50 to 60 lakhs માં તમારું પતી શકે છે. તો depends on which area you are choosing, which university are you choosing, and duration is 4 years in US and Canada. UK and European countries they પણ છે 3 years. Okay, India also 3 years. So I hope I have cleared your doubt. In case you want further details, you can definitely contact me, Tejal Shah. One second. Yeah, Bharat Shah is asking me, in which of this course scope is more, CFA, CS or MBA? Understand, Mr. Bharat, these are three different things. Basically, CS તમારે 12th પછી કરવાનું હોય. Usually you do it along with BCom. CS is more of compliance, Companies Act, law related વધારે છે CS. CFA finance related વધારે છે. Finance માં જે legalities હોય એ CS cover કરે. CFA valuation, investment banking, financial accounting, એ બધા hardcore finance topics ને touch કરે. અને MBA management ને touch કરે. So these three are very different. Scope wise, I cannot comment as such, but MBA in finance from a good institute will fetch you a very good salary. If you do it from a very good institute provided. Okay, Bharat Shah, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Hetvi Shah is asking me, after 12th doing BBA or LLB by giving NPAT or CLAT in NMIMS, is it worth it? These again two are very different, Hetvi. You do CLAT and you target NLUs, National Law Universities. And BBA માટે NPAT દેવાની છે NMIMS માં. First of all, there is no NPAT. NM માં there is no law school. There is Usha Praveen Gandhi and Jitendra Chauhan College of Law, which is not NMIMS. It comes under SVKM, but it is not NMIMS. So again, these two are very different things. One is a management course and one is law, proper lawyer. You become a lawyer. So both are worth it if you're good at it. So Heti, I hope I've cleared your doubt. If you have further details, you can definitely contact me. Yashita Gandhi is asking me, what about PG diploma in media management? I think someone had asked me before. I had specified that if you want to do PG diploma, you can do it from MICA. MICA is very good institute when it comes to marketing as a whole. So that media is definitely covered under it. MICA, Mundra Institute of Communication, or you can do an MBA in marketing. That will be better than doing PG diploma in media management from Wellingkers any day. Okay, you can do it after BCom as well, not an issue. Yes, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Meghna Bhansali is asking me, can you suggest for product designing? Okay, Meghna, I would like to say product designing is super good. Scope wise, product designing has, lot of opportunities, because understand, right from designing a bottle to designing your maybe any product, whatever you see, your phone. Apple pays huge to product designers. We pay high because to for Apple phone because of its look. So product designers are the one who decides the look. So there is a BDES degree, Bachelor's of Design degree of product designing, which is taken in lot of institutes. NID, National Institute of Design in Ahmedabad, is a top-notch designing school. So you have to give the entrance exam. Various entrance exams are there for various designing school, and it definitely has a lot of scope. It's a 4 years. Okay, product designing course is BDES, Bachelor's of Design in Product Design. So it has good scope. Okay, Meghna Bansali, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Vatsal Shet is asking me, I had no idea what I'm going to do for now. So I chose finance as my specialization in BMS. Now, won't it be difficult for me to enter MBA? No, MBA marketing. No, Vatsal, it's totally fine. You don't have to tell the MBA colleges that I want to pursue marketing. You don't have to specify it to them. No? Once you enter there, and then you can choose your specialization. So it's totally fine if you choose marketing as well. So it's very easy for you. Understand, you can change your course. That is perfectly fine. Everyone understands that, you are not able, you don't like it. That's why you are choosing something else. Have some internship in between about marketing. So that will be able to, link it, that you are not interested in finance. That's why you did a internship in marketing, and hence you are doing your MBA in marketing because you got interested in the internship. Okay, Vatsal, have some link, so it will be better. It won't be difficult, but that is my answer. Janil Sangvi is asking me, these days we see a lot of promotion for coding, logic building from various companies for 6 years and above. Janil, 6 years and above, I will not recommend. Let the child grow a little. It's after 10th if you want. After 10th is something you should be ideally, focusing your child into coding. Before that, वो computer subject आता है तभी बच्चे सीख लेते हैं, but आप specially कोई classes मत कराओ. It's not something which a 6-year-old should be doing ideally coding. It has to be done after one turns at least 15 years of age. Okay, Janil, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Unless a student is very interested, then the story is something else, but parents should not be pushing for the same. Okay. Disha is asking me, what is the scope of cinematography career opportunities? Cinematography has a lot of opportunities. Definitely, you become a cinematography is basically angle of the photography. जो photographer होते हैं, जो आप cameraman देखते हो, he works under a cinematographer. कि angle क्या होना चाहिए? That is very important in filmmaking. Let me tell you, the DOP, director of photography, that is a cinematographer, and the director of the movie as a whole, they sit besides each other. They are paid equally. So that is the importance of cinematography. So in every field, every movie or every maybe a serial TV series, or it is a web series, or it is a movie, cinematographer has a very important role. So it has a very good scope ahead. And as I said, New York Film Academy has a very good cinematography program which you can go ahead. Janil Sangvi is asking me, is it advisable for kids online coding courses? No, it's not advisable. Let the student be 15 years at least before he should be going ahead. So that's my recommendation. Jinit Kayani is asking me, recommend best junior colleges for commerce. HR, Podar, NM. So these are the best, I would say. HR, which is in Churchgate, Podar, and NM. These are the best three junior colleges for commerce. So yeah, good. Gunjan Shah is asking me scope of physiotherapy. Very good, very good. Trust me, everyone is on phone these days. Everyone is on laptop. So the muscle ache is something which is going to happen to every one of us. So physiotherapy has an amazing scope in India, and I actually recommend to a lot of students, physiotherapy, dietetics. So all these courses will have a lot of scope. So Gunjan, yes, there is good scope. What are the various job opportunities after 12th arts? Disha, very good question. There are a lot of opportunities after 12th arts. You can take up creative writing, you can take up English literature, you can take up economics, you can take up maybe BMM, mass media. You can take so many courses in arts. You can arts also has journalism as a whole. There is a BA in journalism as well. So there are a lot of opportunity in arts as a whole, and psychology also comes under arts. Lot of courses, lot of opportunities in arts, so which you can go. Kajal Shah is asking me what are the scope in designing as a whole. How many doubts are there still? I have to cover a lot of doubts. One second. Kajal Shah is asking me scope in designing. Kajal Shah, can you please be specific on which kind of designing are you talking about? Like what designing? Fashion designing, graphic designing? What designing are you exactly talking about? So accordingly, I can tell you. Then it will be great. Beast Boy is asking what about esports? I didn't understand what is esports. There is something called sports management which is gaining a lot of popularity. Beast Boy, esports I can't understand. Please, it will be great if you can reiterate the question. Lord Infinity is asking me, ma'am, I'm good in maths and science. I'm confused about what stream and career to choose. Understand maths and science. If you're good at, you can definitely go ahead with science as a whole, but I have to understand you better for that. So my number is written over there. You can definitely have a career counseling session. So usually people who are good in math as well as science, they take up science as their stream, and then later on there are options available for them, but I can't tell you by this that what you should ideally be choosing. So maths is there even in commerce, so I have to understand you better, I have to talk to you. So that is, my number is written over there, Lord Infinity. You can definitely contact me if you have any issues. Disha Shah is asking me what are the opportunities after 12th arts. I have already answered 12th arts. I have interest in travel tourism and cinematography, which is better option, cinematography rather than travel and tourism. Travel and tourism does not have very good job opportunities when it comes to India. You have to end up getting into some travel company and where ticket booking or something, travel planning and all, they are not very well paid. Cinematographers are well paid, so you can get, but travel and tourism has a very good scope when it comes to Australia, US. They have good scope, so that depends. But in India, if you want to ask, cinematography has better scope. Disha Snehi is asking me, is CFA advisable to be done from Hyderabad University or some abroad university? CFA does not have any university. It is provided by a US institute. एक institute है CFA का, वहां से it is provided. CFA is provided through that institute. So તમારે basically register કરવાનું છે institute માં. There is no university. There is some institute, US institute છે, તો તમારે registration કરવાનું છે. It's a US based professional degree. Okay. So no university provides CFA course as a whole. I hope I have cleared your doubts, Nehi. Maulik Shah is asking me, is there any scope in doing ACCA in India? Yes, there is scope. It's a UK-based accounting standard degree course. Your job opportunities does increase, but CA is a mother of all these courses. So if you do CA, along with that, if you do ACCA, it will have much more value, Maulik. ACCA CA ના સાથે કરો તો પછી વધારે તમને બેનિફિટ મળશે. I hope I have cleared it out. UK માં અગર તમે જઈ રહ્યા છો માસ્ટર્સ ઇન ફાઇનાન્સ કરવા, તો સાથે સાથે કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરી કોર્સ વધારે છે, મેઇન કોર્સ કરવા જેવું નથી. સમજાણું મૌલિક? I hope I have cleared your doubt. Dhruv Shah is asking me, I am pursuing BMS. How can I utilize my lockdown period time productively? Dhruv, very good question. You can do a lot of online courses. As I said, Coursera, EDX, MOOCs, all these are online platforms through which you can do certificate programs. Number one, you can, I don't know which year you are. If you are planning for your abroad or if you are planning for your further studies, you can start preparing for your entrance exam. You can do home internships if you are getting any. So that is some ways in which you can utilize your time productively. And if you want more information, definitely you can contact me. I will be able to help you better. Okay, Meghna Bansali is asking me what courses can you suggest after architecture for profile building? Architecture एक बार हो गया है, BR का अगर आपका हो गया है, if it is done, then ideally internship is the only way how you can build your profile. काम करो, you have to work under someone so that your profile is built. કારણ કે આ એક પ્રેક્ટિકલ કોર્સ છે. આર્કિટેક્ચરમાં કામ કરવું બહુ જરૂરી છે. યુ ડોન્ટ હેવ ટુ સ્ટડી મચ, બટ પ્રેક્ટિકલ બહુ છે. મોડેલ મેકિંગ એન્ડ ઓલ ઇટ્સ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઇન આર્કિટેક્ચર એઝ અ હોલ. સો તમે ઇન્ટર્નશિપ કરો યા તો કામ કરવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરો બીઆર પછી, ઈ તમારું પ્રોફાઇલ વધારે સારું બિલ્ડ કરશે. Okay, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Where was I? Meghna Bansali, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Mittal Sanghvi is asking me how to determine which career is most suitable for 15-year-old who has not moved to 10th grade. Are there any tests such as psychometric tests which one can go for? I personally do not believe in any psychometric DMIT or aptitude test. I don't believe in that. I believe in a different way of counseling. I believe that I have to make the students aware about the different career options. I have to understand what is his nature vis-a-vis what is the nature of the career. वो इसको align करना है. I have to make sure that the student understand what are the different job opportunities in layman's language. I make them understand. So there is a different way in which a career, is to be chosen, and I do the same. And a career plan is given at the end of every counseling session કે તમે માસ્ટર્સમાં શું કરી શકશો, આગળ તમારે કઈ રીતે કરવું જોઈએ, કયા સર્ટિફિકેટ કોર્सेस કરવા જોઈએ. Everything will be discussed in depth in my counseling session. But I do not believe in any psychometric test or DMIT or aptitude test. They are 99% flawed. I had, taken all the surveys and then I'm telling you. So it is flawed. Let the student be aware about different options. He will himself tell, because a 15-year-old is quite mature to understand कि मुझे क्या पसंद है और क्या नहीं पसंद है. I'm not saying maturity क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है, वो नहीं, पसंद और नापसंद तो definitely बोल सकता है बच्चा. So I hope, Mittal, I have cleared your doubt. Vaishali Mehta is asking me your opinion as business management as a career. Very good option. Business management is pretty good. It's always better if you do it at a later stage. MBA के time पे अगर आप management सीखो, that is always better. पहले आप specialization करो कुछ, कोई भी चीज में. You be an economist, you be a finance professional, you be a marketeer, you become a doctor, anything. Do some specialization. मैनेजमेंट आपको बाद में एमबीए के टाइम पे या तो जब आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा तभी आप सीखोगे, देन इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर. So my view is that on business management. But still, if you have a family business to carry on, or તમને business startups એમાં બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે, તો તમે BMS લઈ શકો છો, BBA લઈ શકો છો કોર્સ. Definitely you can take up. Okay, I hope I have cleared your doubt. My cousin Manoj is asking, my cousin got a admit in Duke University for business analytics. What is your call on it? Duke is fantabulous university. It is one of the most amazing university for business analytics, and as a whole also it has a lot of reputation. If he has got an admit, I need to understand which other admit he has got. If he has got it for business analytics, I'm sure his GRE score has to be great. Then it has to be great, more than 310 at least. Then only he has got an admit. So which other admits has he got, and accordingly we have to choose, or how is it? So I need to understand that. But Duke is a very good option, Manoj Shah. So definitely, he should be going ahead with the same. I hope I have cleared your doubt. Hital Talsania is asking me, can you please share information about medical field scope and any specialization nowadays? Medical mein obviously you can do MBBS. These days a lot of students are doing MBBS and then they are changing their course to healthcare management, public health. They are, pursuing that kind of hospital management. So they are pursuing, these are the different courses in medical. Apart from MBBS, you can become MBBS ke baad obviously there is psychiatrist, you can become a dermatologist, orthodontist, and there are a lot of courses specialization which are the normal things what you might be listening. But these days a lot of people are getting into paramedical courses, speech therapist, then there is physiotherapy. So all these courses are also gaining a lot of popularity. Hetal Dalsania, I hope I have cleared your doubt. A lot of doubts coming. One second. Manoj Shah is asking me, we are quite concerned with respect to the COVID outbreak. What are the thoughts about future job perspective? I think Manoj Shah had already told before, I will repeat, आपको जॉब 2 साल के बाद ढूंढना है. So his intake would be September 2021. Obviously next year वो जाएगा, ये साल जाएगा नहीं, international flights चालू ही नहीं है. Next year के 2 साल बाद, so 3 years के बाद you have to start. finding the job for him. So definitely it will get over. So don't worry about corona. India mein kitna, there is so much of problems. India is right now the fifth country to have the highest COVID cases. So don't worry about corona at all. We have to live with it. It will be our new normal, corona. So don't worry. Next year we have to, it will be a normal thing. Let him go. Uske 2 years ke baad he has to find a job. So till that time, I'm sure that economy will be stabilized. I hope I have cleared your doubt, Manoj Shah. Jessica Wagela is asking me, does BMM have a scope? Yes, definitely. If you want to pursue marketing as a whole, BMM has a lot of scope. Do it from good college, HR, Jai Hind, UPG, Mitibai. They have good scope in BMM. Jaishri Shah is asking me, my son has interest in drawing, so which career is suitable for him? Jaishri, you can get into designing, as in you can get into product designing, graphic designing, communication designing, all the BDES courses. It requires a lot of creativity and there is a lot of scope as well. Even architecture to some extent is good. Interior designing, say better you do architecture, but these designing courses have the most scope these days. It's not very saturated. Unfortunately, architecture course is little archaic in India. It's not gaining a lot of popularity because the coursework is not updated. Updating નથી થતું, update નથી થતું. થોડુંક portion થોડુંક જૂનું છે. So you can do all these courses of product design and communication design, graphic design. These have good courses. Then Dhaval Shah is asking me, what about cyber security? Very good question, Dhaval Shah. You can take up computer science as a whole, computer science, IT आप ले सकते हो, and then you can do your masters in cyber security. બહુ સારો સ્કોપ છે, US especially માં બહુ સારો સ્કોપ છે cyber security નો. Hacking as a whole comes under the scenario of cyber security and that has very good scope. Very good. Rucha Parekh is asking me, there are quite a lot of doubts today. Rucha Parekh is asking me, is getting admission for MS abroad after diploma plus degree in engineering difficult? No, not at all. I send so many students every year with this profile. So many. It depends on what is your score. But if you want to go for MS abroad, it's doable, very much manageable. So many students go on a regular basis, Rucha. So it's not difficult at all. Don't worry. Disha Shah is asking me, how is cinematography degree in UPG Mithibai? Disha, it's good, huh? It's good, but try for this Whistling Woods, as I said. It has a better degree. So research on both the colleges. Whistling Woods is an institute, okay? So it has good internship opportunities. So you can try both. Both are good, but Gunjan Shah is asking me, is physiotherapy better in government college or private college in terms of quality of learning? Government is better. Obviously, you get more crowd. Jahan pe, where you can practice more. Obviously, there the scope of learning would be better. So Gunjan, I would suggest government college, but it's very difficult to get in government college as well. But you can try. You can definitely try. But it's good. Government college would be better. My answer is that. Ma'am, Lord Infinity is asking me, esport means video game and live streaming. Is it having a bright future, bright scope? Understand video games and live. There is no particular course I can suggest, but usually gaming as a whole, if you want to make games, gaming has a lot of opportunity. This I think you can learn through some, normal YouTube course, or you can learn through YouTube course also. But gaming, अगर आपको games बनानी है as a whole, so that it has superb scope. There are so many students who are coming with a thing that I want to make games. So that has very good scope. You ideally have to learn coding for that. So engineer, computer science, ideally you have to do. Uske baad masters in entertainment arts or something. There is UI UX. If you are aware about user interface, user experience, that is also good for gaming. There is a masters in gaming also. So there are a lot of opportunities for that. But this can definitely be, learned through normal YouTube videos and all, live streaming and all. Okay, so gaming as a whole has very good scope. I hope I've cleared your doubt, Lord Infinity. Jinit Kayani is asking me, what are the degrees, courses, requirements for that are required to pursue marketing management? Jinit, it's better like, we have a counseling session for the same. There are a lot of doubts, coming from your side. So I'll be clearing all. But there is no as such marketing management ke liye ideally BMM is something what you should be, doing. But this is a very holistic question which will take a lot of time. So it's better if we have a counseling session wherein I can definitely clear all your questions. Okay, I hope I've cleared your doubts till now, Jinit. Manoj Shah is asking me, after 12th, what is the best management career? What is the best management career? BBA is good, BMS is good, Manoj Shah. So both are pretty good. Jessica Vagela is asking me, is UPG a good college for BMM? Yes, it's a good college for BMM. St. Xavier's is good. That also you can try. And Jai Hind is very good. HR is very good. So UPG comes fourth, I would say. Vora Rehan is asking me, how about cloud engineering? If you want to become a cloud engineer, you have to go it through IT engineering or computer science engineering, and then you become a cloud engineer. Okay, Vora Rehan, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Yes, thank you. Forum Shah is asking me, what is the scope of cosmetic dentistry? Very good scope. Cosmetic dentistry. Ideally, you have to do your BDS. Then you have to, mostly people do MDS, and then they do their certificate programs on cosmetic dentistry and all. So it does have good scope. When you come to a doctor stream, more you learn, better it is for you. So it definitely has a lot of scope. Everyone wants a very good smile over here. So, it's very good for Amsha. You can definitely go ahead with it. Creative DC is asking me which college is best for arts field after 10. St. Xavier's. It is the best. Mithiba is also good, but St. Xavier's is the best out of the lot. Manoj Shah is asking me, have a equity broking family background. Please suggest courses related to India or abroad. For equity, one second. Equity broking background. So there are a lot of courses, which you can do. Usually SIB, School of Investment Banking, में आपका काम हो जाएगा. Then there is even what is that? This thing name. I forgot the name. I will tell you. There are a lot of equity related courses which you can ideally be doing. And School of Investment Banking is very, very popular, Manocha, where you can enroll and get into equity research. You can even do lot of short courses which are, done by lot of traders. I can give you the number of the same. You can contact me. I can give you the number of a person who teaches equity as a whole, equity research, basics of equity. आप कर सकते हो BFM, Bachelor's in Financial Management is the course for this. Equity research, markets related. There are a lot of ways and means how you can get into this. I hope I have cleared your doubt. Manoj Shah. Then Janil Shah is asking me, according to the current situation, what would you prefer between government services, private, like being an entrepreneur? This question, it depends, right? According to the career, they can definitely, being an entrepreneur has a altogether different experience. Different, the scope is much much wider. So my vote will go to being an entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur myself, I know how amazing it is to become one. So my vote will go to being an entrepreneur. Kavita Shah is asking, what is the scope of AI in India? Amazing. AI ML is the next big thing. So it has superb scope in India, not only in India, all over the world. Artificial intelligence is the next big thing. So anything you are anything whatever you are doing, basically, robots are artificial intelligence. That's the next big thing. So it will be great if you make your career in AI. There is masters in AI which you can pursue. There is masters in computer science which you can pursue. So definitely you can go ahead like that. So it has good scope. Vatsal Shet is asking, one second, have I cleared all the doubts? Yeah. Vatsal Shet is asking me, I just got excited when I hear media management and entertainment, but I exactly don't know what is it. I don't want to take my time and don't want to do something wrong with my career. Vatsal, media management and entertainment, it's all about handling media as a whole. So I don't know which grade are you in. So this you can do by joining any media company for internship as well. So don't do any PG diploma. As I said, do some MBA in marketing as a whole. And what you can do is you can do your internship in media companies. That will help you learn what all media management is, what entertainment is. You know Pink Villa, if you know, so that is a proper media management and entertainment company, Pink Villa. Then there are so many famous entertainment Miss Malini, if you know. So all these comes under that. If you try to understand what I'm trying to say, okay? Vatsal, if you have further queries, you can definitely contact me. Nisha Shah is asking me, what is the scope of actuarial science? Can you give information on the nature of the job of actuary? Nisha, I had picked up the topic of actuarial science before as well. So it's basically actuarial science works in insurance companies. They understand the rate of interest to be charged, the premium to be charged. All these things is basically decided by an actuary by using mathematical models. So statistics and maths are very two important topics, which two important subjects which a actuary has to be very well versed with. It has to be his or her forte, statistics and maths. So it has good scope. As I said, insurance companies are usually hire actuary. It's basically the one who has done actuarial science, actuary. Okay, so I hope I have cleared your doubt, Nisha. The creative DC is asking, confused about what career to choose after taking arts as a field. Creative DC, you can definitely contact me. I can help you decide on which career you can take after arts. This is very less information for me to discuss with you. I need more information so that I can tell you a complete career plan as a whole, that what ideally you should be doing. So you can contact me definitely. Creative DC, I think I took your question. I think I didn't miss your question. Yeah, there are a lot of doubts coming in. Manisha is asking me, I completed my BMS, but now no more interested in arts. So which course is good for me? BMS is nowhere related to arts. It's a commerce field. I need to understand better from you that what exactly are you not interested in? BMS has marketing, it has finance, and it has human resource. So these three are the specialization. There is no arts involved in BMS. So basically, you please let me know give me some clarity so that I can clear your doubt in detail. Snehi Ventures is asking me, suggest small courses related to commerce online on Coursera. You can do corporate finance, you can do investment banking for beginners, corporate finance for beginners, you can do finance for beginners. So these are the courses I would suggest you in Coursera, which you can do. Raj Shah is asking me, what about event management? Event management has very good scope, Raj. It's basically a practical field as a whole, and event management has quite a lot of information. It basically deals in how you have to handle the entire event. It's a practical course, so technically doing a degree does not make sense. Do internship, be under some event manager so that you get a lot of knowledge on how to go about with the entire event. So there are a lot of event management companies which hire interns. So ideally, you should be interning with the same. Okay, Raj, I hope I have cleared your question. Kavita Shah is asking me, AI should do in India or abroad? Which universities in India and abroad? Lot of universities. Like in India, you ideally AI के लिए course नहीं है. आप computer science through आप study करो AI. Abroad में तो बहुत सारे universities are. Every nook and corner will have some university will have a course on AI. There is masters in AI program, or you can do masters in computer science with a specialization in AI. So there's a long discussion, Kavita. It's better if we have a counseling session. I can definitely let you know how to go about with AI in India or abroad. Usually, computer science is something which you have to take, and so that you can specialize accordingly. Okay, Kavita, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Jessica Wagela was asking me, I had taken commerce in 11th and 12th. Is it a good decision of taking BMM after commerce? Yes, why not, Jessica? You can take, definitely you can go forward with BMM after 11th and 12th. So that is definitely not a problem. Usually it is like that only. People take commerce and then you can go ahead with the same view BMM. So that's totally fine, Jessica. You can go ahead. Manisha is asking me. I completed my BMS in finance and now more interested in creativity arts. So what course is good for me? You can do masters abroad. That is better because in India there is no as such course I would suggest you for masters in design as a whole. So I have engineers, I have a lot of different kind of students, science background student also who ends up getting into designing. So you can take up masters in product designing, communication designing abroad. So definitely you can take ask me and I can help you with it, and it's totally fine to change your career. We have a lot of ways and means in which you can change your career and still be like really good. So yeah, you can definitely do the same. Don't worry about it, Manisha. Racha is asking me, in commerce other than CS, CS and actuarial science, what else you can we take? You can take BAF for proper bachelor's course you can do. BAF, BFM, BBA, BMS, finance. So these courses are usually done and these are professional degrees. CS, CS, actuarial science are professional degrees. So yeah, so you can do all these things. There is ACCA also, there is CMA also. There are a lot of courses that depends on where your interest lies. So lot of things what you can go ahead with. Jessica Wagela is, even you can get into designing after commerce. You can get, so it's not necessary you take something relating to finance. You have the world basically after commerce. So don't worry. Jessica Wagela is asking me what are the job opportunities after BMM. Jessica, I think you have a lot of queries when it comes to BMM. You can let me know if you need a career counseling for the same. So definitely I can help you. There is marketing, there is sales, there is advertising, there is journalism. There are a lot of job opportunities after BMM. So this is the glimpse which I would like to give. You can contact me personally. I can definitely help you solve your queries. Okay, Jessica. Manoj Shah is asking me. Duke says that they shall start the course in September 2020 and have got the admission. You should ideally be deferring your admission, Manoj Shah. You should be telling them that since there is COVID, we need to defer it to September 2021. They will do it for you. So you should be deferring it to next year, and then ideally the student should be going next year. I hope your doubt is clear, Manocha. It is, they will do it. All the universities are doing. All my students, they have deferred the admission. Amisha is asking me, there is a debate between I am a teacher course, B.Ed for, there's a debate between a teacher course and B.Ed for teaching field. Which do you recommend? Uh, which course I'm not able to understand. I am a teacher course. There is Asian College of Teachers, which I usually recommend. B.Ed is not that recommended. There is Asian College of Teacher, which you should be doing, or you can do Cambridge related IGCSE and IB teachers. If you want to become one, you have to get into the Cambridge website and you can do courses on that, and ultimately you can give the exams and you can become one teacher. So that is what I prefer. Asian College of Teachers and Cambridge exams you can give to become good IGCSE IB teachers. So uska value is much more than B.Ed degree. Okay, I cleared quite a lot of doubts and it was too much fun talking to all of you. Amisha is IAAT. Not really aware about IAAT. Asian College of Teacher is something what I would prefer. You can search on of the same, good value of the same, and Cambridge, two courses. Amisha, if you can just check. Like the doubts are not ending at all. So I will take the last doubt for the day. Vatsal Sheth, yeah. In case you have any queries, you can definitely let me know. I'm taking the last doubt. Vatsal Sheth is asking me, I'm in SYBMS studying CAT right now because my parents want me to do MBA finance because my cousins have done it. When should I do internship, that too in marketing? Ideally, immediately CAT mat do. CAT they do if you want, but do your MBA after you gain experience of at least 1 year. So don't take up MBA immediately after your graduation. Do it after a 1 year gap. Ideally CAT अभी से पढ़ने की जरूरत भी नहीं थी. So थोड़ा आप एक complete करो. Ideally अभी internship का time है. SY and TY is meant for internship. So do step by step, guys. Don't rush into things. That is very important to be understood, guys. Okay, so take a 1 year gap, Vatsal. Ideally अभी आप internship करो. Right now is the time. SY and TY and एक साल का work experience लो और फिर MBA करो. So you will have good work experience before you get into MBA course. I hope I have cleared your doubts, guys. There were lot of doubts, and it was too much fun talking to everyone. Everyone had lot of queries regarding career. I'm quite fancied about the same, and I have given you my contact number as well in case you need a career counseling session, in case you need a abroad counseling session, anything you need, you can definitely let me know. I am here for you guys. And it was too much fun. I would dearly thank Hardik Bhai for this wonderful opportunity. I would definitely thank Sudhir Bhai Vora, Hardik Bhai Vora, Vaishali Bain. I would dearly thank them that you have given me this wonderful, wonderful opportunity. And finally, I would like to thank KVSO Gujjar Youth Forum to have such amazing webinars on a regular basis and trying. There are so many. If you see, there were so many doubts. Kitla bada doubts હતા. I hope I tried my best to clear all the doubts. થોડું ટાઈમ કન્સ્ટ્રેન્ટ હોય ઓબ્વિયસલી, એટલે હું બધા એકદમ ડેપ્થમાં ન જઈ શકી, પણ ડેફિનેટલી તમને અગર વધારે ક્વેરીઝ હશે, કાંઈ પણ હશે, you can call me on my number. I am always there for you guys. Thank you so much for being so patient and listening to me, and I would dearly thank you. Thanks. I'm getting people are saying thank you. Most welcome, guys. I love talking to you guys, and I would love to solve your queries more. So definitely તમને મને contact કરી શકો છો જ્યારે બી તમને ક્યારે બી doubts હોય, you can contact me. And thank you KVSO. Lastly, I would say KVSO, Gujar Samaj, Gujar Youth Forum, thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. I would like to end the session now. Thank you for the lovely comments, everyone. I hope I cleared your doubts. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would like to end this session now. Thank you.